If you've messed with exhaust systems very much, you know there's always two main issues: aligning the pipes and keeping leaks away. Well, now it's possible to take care of both of those problems at the same time with these ball flange kits from Flowmaster. Take a look. Now, as you can see, this is basically just a ball and socket that come together and seal because you're tightening against this taper here. Now, once you get them bolted together, you can see you got a nice connection, no gasket needed, no leakage, and you've got some adjustment so you can take care of whatever misalignment you might have. Now, Flowmaster makes these in different sizes. This is a 2.5-inch pipe to 2.5. Here's a 2.5-inch to 3. Here's a 3 to 3. So they pretty much have what you're going to need. Now, you might be wondering, where would I use this? Well, you can replace a gasket flange on a header. You can replace a slip joint on a couple of pipes. Pretty much any place where two pipes come together, these would be great to use. So if you're still using that kind of clamp, or even a band clamp, there's another option: the ball flange kit from Flowmaster.